Hello everyone and welcome to the Chocolate Drive. I'm your host, Chip Chocolate. Today we are announcing our field of trucks and giving you a sneak preview of what is to come. Here are these 12 awesome monster trucks. They are ready to rock, they are ready to roll, they are ready to race. Let's get to the field of drivers, guys. Are you ready? First up, Kit Racing in Grave Digger OG. He's a veteran racer and he is here to get it done. Thank you for your support, Kit Racing, being the first one to sign up. We really appreciate that. We love your channel and all the content. You are a true inspiration here to us at the Chocolate Drive. Next up, we have the channel's very own little chip in Pirate's Curse. He is ready to get it done. Bringing you thunder and lightning, it's Neko in Blue Thunder. Thank you for your support and sign up, Neko. See you in the races. Speaking of thunder, it's Toucan Plays in Thunderbus. Thank you for your support and sign up, Toucan Plays. We love the channel. It means so much to us that you have signed up. Let's get ready to race. It's Mr. Monster Jam Mondays himself, J-Pace Racing in Grave Digger the Legend. Thank you for your support and sign up, J-Pace. See you in the next Monster Jam Mondays live stream. But now, let's race. In Earthshaker, we have Max Up, Gear Up. Thank you for your sign up and support, Max Up, Gear Up. See you in the next Monster Jam Mondays live stream. But right now, you know what time it is. Let's race. Rolling with the masses, throwing matches on top of a gasoline package, it's Farah in Max D. Thank you for your sign up and support, Farah. Let's race. In Bro Camino, it's Monster Jam Mutt. Thank you for your support and sign up, Monster Jam Mutt. Thank you for having your series sign up. It inspired us to start our own here at the Chocolate Drive. And also, Megarex is going to win your next series sign up. But right now, let's race. It's a zombie. Zombie. It's Snow Gaming in Zombie. Thank you for your support and sign up. Let's race. Bringing the crazy bull power to the track is NRG Titans and El Toro Loco. Thank you for your sign up and support, NRG Titans, and thank you for sharing the Orlando 2023 Monster Jam competition. In LumberJack, it's AK Beeson. Thank you for your support and sign up, AK Beeson. See you in the next Monster Jam Mondays live stream. But now, let's race. Next up, it's Retired Fitness Guru, Real Common Sense Fitness in Stone Crusher. Thank you for your support and sign up. Now, let's race. And there you have it, folks. These are the 12 trucks in the first Chocolate Drive Sign Up series. We are ready to rock. We are ready to roll. I hope you are as well. Hit that like, hit that share, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be there on Friday, March 10th at 7:30 p.m. Who will win the first ever sign up series from the Chocolate Drive? Go. We've got the Kraken versus Queen and Bee. Go! we've got a redneck zombie versus Northern Nightmare. Let's go!